Okay, wait lang. There. So here, we'll talk about split action. Usually run by the Golden State Warriors in their offenses. So, just imagine this the ball. Then this the 5 or the 4. Basta para sa front court. Ito yung dalawang wing, ito yung guard. So there. Split action is run by giving the ball to the post player. Tapos, itong dalawang sa taas, usually they set screen. Player will go here. Tapos ito, it's either cut or magpa-pop siyang ganun. So, may options. Maraming options na ka-screen like that. Pinibigay dito, tapos tira. Yun usually yung ginagawa ng Golden State Warriors. Pero, if hindi naman free yun, hindi makatira, the post player, pass na dito sa nagka-cut. Pagka-cut niya, meron siyang open 2 points. So, kaya pag hindi, pwede nang i-dump off dito. Then, put it up. So, or, pwede rin na after the screen, diba? The ball is here. So, post player pala. So, after the screen, hindi siya open. Nag-pop siya. Pwedeng pasa dun. Wide open 3. Golden State Warriors, meron silang ginagawang tatlo yung involved sa screening. So, diba, nasa post player. So, the ball nasa post player na. So, move ko muna dito for spacing, syempre. There. So, ginagawa, pagkapasa nitong wing dito, pwede siyang, kahit ano, actually, pwedeng 5 nandito siya. Pwedeng guard, pwedeng wing. Depends. Pero, ang ginagawa ng usually ng Warriors is yung front court nila yung nandito. So, ito yung 5-man, ito yung 4-man. Kunwari, ito si Kevon Looney, this is Draymond, this is Steph. Yun usually ginagawa nila. Pero it could work kahit ano. So, there. Just the ball, right? Pass is it. So, yung version naman natin ng split action. Wait. So, eto, magsascreen siyang ganyan. So, ito yung guard. Sabihin natin. Lagyan natin pa nga. So, ito si Steph. Sabihin natin Kevon Looney. Tapos ito si Clay. Okay. So, gagawin nila, mag-screen sila dito. So, ito, pwede siyang umakyat para magka-cut. So, pag wala to, lalabas siya. Then, iraran nila yung split action. So, there. Maliktad pala. So, ganyan. Screen nito. Ito, ma-open. Papasa kanya. Ito magka-cut. Or just pop out. Pero kung si Kevon Looney yan, syempre, wala siyang tira sa labas. Magka-cut siya. Pero magandang option din yung mag-pop out. Pero, see. It depends. Read the situation. So, this style of offense is best kapag ang pinaplay ng kalaban is man-to-man defense. So, kasi kung 2-3 yan, parang ewan ko, dito pa lang yata lilibre na siya sa 3. Okay, dump it, then easy ka. Ewan ko lang, hindi ko sure. So, yun. So, mas maganda siyang, mas effective siya sa man-to-man defense. Which is yun naman ang ginagawa sa NBA. Bihira lang sila mag-zone kasi sa NBA merong defensive 3 second, which international rules wala. So, yeah, that's basically it.